Hi students, now we are going to solve the numerical problems in the textbook exercise in the chapter Nature of the Physical World and Measurements. The first sum I am reading now. In a submarine equipped with sonar, the time delay between the generation of a pulse and its echo after reflection from an enemy submarine is observed to be 80 seconds. If the speed of sound in water is 1460 meter per second, what is the distance of the enemy submarine? We have studied in the class sonar. The full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging. It is a device which uses ultrasonic sound to sense the objects under the water. Just like it is similar to that of a radar which is operated to detect objects in the sky. Okay, now we can see here there are two submarines. So this is the first submarine and this is the second one, enemy submarine. So from here ultrasonic sound waves are sent and it is reflected by the enemy submarine and it gets the echo. So the incident sound is going in the downward direction, the reflected echo is coming in the upward direction. So the sound travels a distance d in the downward direction. The same distance it travels in the upward direction. So what is the total distance is d plus d, 2d. Okay, total distance is 2d. Okay, so this total distance traveled, if it is divided by the total time taken, then that only is equal to the speed or velocity. Okay. Now what is given in the numerical problem is the speed. So the speed with which the ultrasonic sound waves travel is 1460. So here V is given as 1460 meters per second. And the total time taken is given as 80 seconds. Okay, so this is 80 seconds. So what is the distance of the enemy submarine? So we have to find the value of d. Okay, so the total distance divided by time is equal to v, or v is equal to d plus d divided by t. So onward how much distance is d, return how much distance, that also is d. So this is equal to what, 2d divided by t. So what is the 2d now equal to v into t. So 2d is equal to v into t. Okay, 2d is equal to v into t. Therefore, what is d is equal to v into t divided by 2. Okay, we will substitute the value. So v into t is what? 1460 into t is how much? 80 whole divided by 2. So we can divide this 80 by 2 and write this as 40. So 1460 into 40. So I will find out by using the calculator. 1460 into 40 is equal to 58400. So this is equal to 58400 meter. This is the answer. Okay, now we have expressed the answer in meter, but in general kilometer for a long distance, if you express it will be relevant. So we will divide this by 1000 and write in kilometer. Therefore the distance of the enemy submarine is 58.4 kilometer. So 58.4 kilometer. So this is the right answer. So here only one concept you have to remember, students, whether you are solving the problem using radar or sonar, d is the actual distance between the transmitter and the object. Okay, It is also the same from what? From the object to the receiver. So what is the total distance traveled by any signal, be it radio waves or laser light or ultrasound? Onward and return, total distance. So the sound signal or any signal starts from the transmitter, it reaches the enemy or any object and returns to the receiver. Okay, so the total distance you have to take care that it is not d, it is d plus d, that is equal to 2d. If you substitute means you will get the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.